All right, welcome to Wednesday, our first day that we don't meet, but you still have some things that you should be working on in chemistry. So, the things that I've given you so far this first week that you could be working on, number one is a personal story. I left the assignment open till Friday because I know some of you are still getting used to remote learning. And so, if you haven't done that, write me a personal story, something about an event or something that's happened to you, so that I get to know you a little bit better. All right. The next thing that we did in class last time was to begin work on your choice board. And so the choice board started here with climate change and weather. And you got to our big, huge Bitmoji page. And hopefully you're having some fun with this as you think about the different activities. And so, as an example, hopefully you've already begun to find some things. The polar bear is all about sea level. The thermometer hanging on the tree is about temperature. The tractor in the field is about climate change and its effects on food and agriculture. There's two different types of clouds up there. Both of those are clue clouds, and they each represent something different. I'll let you figure that out. The little campfire in front of the tent is also a clue. If you haven't clicked on that one yet, it's an important one because it talks about the effect of climate change on wildfires. The state of Oregon sign is another one that is a clue, and I'm just giving you a few hints about some things that you could be out looking for. So make sure that as you're doing these that you come over and begin to look at the assignments. Don't forget, you also have to do one lab. Notice it says turn in at least 4 assignments and 1 lab. Remember that being responsible as a student during distance learning does not mean just turn in 4 things quick and move on to your math assignment. Because what you need to do is really take that responsibility to say, okay, Dr. Hampton has said I need to learn and understand climate change. What is it? How does it work? Where is it going? Why is it important to me? Now, if you can answer those questions by just looking at 2 or 3 or 4 things, then good, you're doing well, and you've probably picked 4 really good clues. If you feel like I should read a couple more because I really want to be really good at this, then maybe you should be doing 5 or 6 or 7 different things, because this year it's more about what you're doing and less about sitting back and being passive and waiting to see what I'm going to be saying. When we get back to class on Thursday, I'll be asking you questions about what you've read, what you've watched. Some of these are videos, what you did in the lab. Keep in mind too that some of these are about weather, if you haven't gotten to the 2 on clouds, because it's climate and weather. So we want to be able to know what are the differences between climate and weather. If it's just hot this year, is that a weather event or a climate event? If we had lots of fires this year, is that a weather event or a climate event? And that's also a big debate in our politics, at our national and state level politics. So these are important issues for you to begin to investigate. All right, so the last thing to be on your list for Wednesday is I have a little thing that I want you to do. I want you to go into the discussion section, and I want you to find the discussion and leave me a note about this. I want you to think about being an animal for a day. And you could be an eagle, a chameleon. Okay, that's two choices, eagle or chameleon, a lion or a tortoise. Those are your four choices. Okay, eagle, chameleon, lion, tortoise. And all I want you to do for right now is tell me which animal you think you would want to be. All right, put it on the discussion board. If you can't find the discussion board, send me or submit it to me in a different manner, but you should be able to find it. Go look for the discussion board. And that's your work for Wednesday. So enjoy your Wednesday, and I look forward to seeing you back in the Zoom classroom on Thursday morning.